Hello and welcome to Caravan Salon 2021. This is a 2022 range from Slovenian manufacturer Adria. This is a camper van called the Twin Plus 600 SPB, and it costs 54,630. Right, so what can we tell from the name? A Twin Plus. I wonder what that means. Maybe we'll find out. 600, so that gives you the length is 599 centimeters. And SPB. Yeah, I'm stuck on that one. We'll have to see if I can get an answer to that as we walk around. Right, so it's a no thrills camper van really, but it is quite nice. Got this nice glossy surface, although somebody was saying to me how much they didn't like the glossy surface, and now I've forgotten the reason why. Yeah, push to open. It's quite light. They've got one or two designs which are quite dark, but this is quite light, so I think that's reasonable. What you've got here as well, what's the point of that? You may be saying that's so you can actually put the bed up. The bed will go up and it'll hold up there. And let's have a look under here. You can see you can actually remove this one here, and you can stick some bikes in there or something long. You know, you might have a pet ostrich or something like that. It needs a bit of space. Alright, toilet's quite good in fact. I'm even going to come inside and show you the toilet. I'll also mention Alexa Camping, who gave me this t-shirt, which is in northern Poland, and I went there in July of 2021, and it's a wonderful location, the top of a cliff. So anyway, now here in here, look at all the space here. I've got all this, and up there a bit of space too. Somebody's walked in here and can hear that me talking in the toilet. Yeah, I wonder what they're gonna think. Oops. So no, I think that isn't bad. You know, it's 205 centimeters wide on the outside, so I think the toilet's okay. Show you what the drawers are like. This one I can't touch, you see, it's got that don't open, and they'll probably keep all the secret stuff in there, such as the pet ostrich food. 2 burners. This one here, these designs are Italian company. They've been leading the way, I think, certainly more ahead of the game than, for example, even Dometic and Pössl on designs. I don't think this is a particularly good design. To be quite honest, these two things are clearly too close together. But hey, where else are you going to put them? Well, you may as well just put one if you can only use one. That's the way I look at it. Ask the dog. The dog might have a different opinion. Another thing is these things, there needs to be a break here. Right, and the reason for that is the heat from this can melt this. And I know that from experience. It happened to me. So, here's the Thetford fridge. And convenient location for, you know, a wardrobe. Right. Also now coming with this here, right? So you can have your beer, right? So you can be sort of you're sitting down here in the evening, for example. I've got to be careful how I sit, because I was given some food on one stand. They must have thought I hadn't eaten for months. So anyway, they gave me some food, so I can't, because I've got it in my back. I have a backpack on, I can't sit down properly. But anyway, it's just sitting here, right? And you've had a few beers. But the advantage of this is you can find your beer. Doesn't matter how plastered you are, you'll know where the beer is. So that's what that's there for. But don't drive in that condition. Up here, we've got a skylight, and in the traditional location for such things, we've got the heating, and we can see what's going on with the electronics. Alright, so answer some questions I always get. Does it have a microwave? No. Does it have air conditioning? No. Does it have anything else which is a bit daft? No. All of these things you can get separately once you have bought it. That's the idea. So there you go. Never found out what SPB meant. So it's got a big window in the roof, measuring 700 by 500 millimeters, and it's got, well, what else can I say? It's got, oh, look at that! It's the 2 flame cooker hobs and sink. Long. I don't really think that's a long kitchen in my but the framed windows are like that. And anyway, good. So that's some of the details. I'm just going to have to think what SPB means. If you know what SPB means, write it down below. This is the Adria all-in 600 SP. So this hasn't got a B. It costs nearly 47,000 euros, and well, it's got the same window. It's got the same cooker. Got the same bed. Got a different colour in the back, but other than that it's the same. This is the same. Don't know what the difference is. Beats me. Does the other one have this in? I can't remember now. Let's have a look at another one. Alright, same size, everything. That's a Citroen Jumper Blue D. And right, so we'll have a look. Here's a Plus, Adria Plus, and we'll have a quick look at this one as we're here. As I'm here, you're not. This is 57,600 plus 640 SLB. Well, for 640, so 636 centimeters in length, and this here has the lengthwise beds, and so that gives you, I think, if you're taller, you might want a lengthwise bed. You've got a step up there, which is quite good, I think. But what is not so good is this rather daft locking thing behind it, which I can't. Which is hard to lock from one side and impossible to lock from the other. And this sort of, it's bent over, and I can't even show it to you because I have to go at the back to have a look at that. So we'll go and have a look at that from the back. We'll also have a look at the washroom. So I'll come around to the back, and what I wanted to show you is this. You see that you lock this on, that locks on, but the lock is there, right? But so you've got to pull it up from the other side. But how do you get it up on the other side? Can't get that over either. Oh, it doesn't matter. Have to take it from me. That's a pretty daft thing to have. In my opinion, it could have been designed better. Probably. Okay, let's have a look some more. This is the Adria Supreme. It's named after a chicken. There's another twin 640 SLB Supreme. Adria Sports. And what this stands out as is having, obviously it's got a tent in the roof, but that's an option anyway. This thing here costs 67,324. And you see the way they've done the bed, widthwise bed. Mind you, the mattress is a good colour. And now I'm going to try and get out. Yeah, the Adria Active Pro, which in my opinion is a complete misunderstanding. There's the all-in, and I see that all are in it right now. So come back to the one I started out with, which was this one here, wasn't it? I can't remember now. But anyway, so there's the Adria Plus 600 SPB, St. Petersburg, that's what it means. You see, I knew I'd get there eventually. So, thanks very much for watching. I hope you found that interesting. And if you did, you might want to like, and if you didn't, you might want to like it as well, because it'll encourage me to make it more interesting next time, or it might not. So you might want to write down in the comment, get Tosha the dog back. That's what you ought to do, and that would improve the standard of videos on this channel. Thanks very much for watching.